Hi there. We are super excited about our upcoming Dowsing Masterclass, Alchemize Your Energy. And what I love about this work is that it is a vast body of work passed down through 4 generations of Native North Americans, and it is distilled into this very succinct essence form that we call dowsing, energy dowsing. And it will give you the ability to transform your life in a sense, in that you will be able to work with your personal energy, the energy of your living space, and any clearings that need to happen. For instance, clearing old past psychic cords, old vows, contracts, commitments, anything that's not serving you any longer. It's a way to propel yourself forward, catalyze your own energy, and if you choose to work with others as well with this beautiful tool. It is a tool, and we will be in the 2-part masterclass. We will be working with you to program your pendulum, to really get it moving through the different directional swings that we'll be working with that allow us information. Big part of the dowsing is working with both hemispheres of our brain. So working with the logical side of our brain, the left side of our brain, which is where we begin to formulate and ask the question. And our right hemisphere brain, where we're really calling in and working with our intuition. It's a beautiful blend of these 2 aspects of ourself in this one particular form. So we hope you'll join us. We're looking forward to sharing this body of work with you and to give you some tools to not only help you navigate your life, also enhance the quality of your life as you work with energy, frequency, and vibration. Because this tool, dowsing, will be able to give you a way to perceive the invisible realms. We know the visible realms, and the invisible realms are just as impactful to us because we are in a sea of energy. Everything is energy, frequency, and vibration. So we'll be able to, in a sense, get into the driver's seat, take control, and be able to shape and shift our lives in a more optimal way. We look forward to meeting you there.
In the first part of the course, you're going to come away with the dowsing basics. In the interim between the 2 courses, you will have the ability to begin to explore and experiment with using the pendulum and asking questions. The second part of the course, we're going to have the ability to dive very deeply into some protocols that you can look over through in the kit that you'll have. Our goal for this class is that you come away with the knowledge, the ability, and the confidence to change, create, and eliminate a lot of things that a lot of people are not even aware of. So this is just a program to help you begin to understand and the vast possibilities that you can use dowsing for. Dowsing is a very powerful tool, and it can change people's lives because everyone has the love, the light, and the healing. However, a lot of people have some blocks, some obstacles, some fears, anxieties. And with the dowsing system, we can identify these, because what we want to do when someone comes with something, well, usually it's a problem, we want to identify what is causing that, because we use this system to eliminate that. And then you can let the healing, the light, the knowledge, the ability shine. So I hope to see you there.